welcome back to the channel. We're here at National on a long weekend. Just looking at Premier Selection. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we're going to start things off here with a Mustang, and we've got a BMW. Actually, two BMWs in Premier Selection here. We've got a Ford Escape. I'm just going through the executive aisle here. We've got a Ford Edge, two of them. We've got a Ford Escape. We've got one of these Dodge Charger GTs, the Alpine stereo. They got lots of Ford Escapes. You're going to see a lot of them in this video. And we've got a GMC. I think that's a Terrain. Jeep Compass. A couple more Ford Escapes here. Got a Toyota Camry. Oh, I haven't seen one of these in a long time. There's one of these Ford Fusion. Is this one a hybrid? This one's probably got some miles on it, just based on the license plate and the fact I haven't seen one for Fusion. Yeah, titanium hybrid. It's got the sunroof in it. Let's just take a quick peek how many miles, if it's going to come up here. Wow. 72,000 kilometers. So that's getting close to 50,000 miles. Actually, in the aisle today, they got a couple of these brand new Ford Explorers. Miles. The other one had, we'll see it in a bit, had about, oh wow, this one's got 566 miles on it. There's no plate on the front. Let's see where this one's from. Yeah, this one's from Quebec. XLT, okay. And the other one's a Limited, which is a higher trim. We'll get to that in a bit. We got a Ford Escape, got a VW, we got a Camry, and actually we got an Altima here with, I'm trying to remember the trim, but this one's got the sunroof on it, and it's got the bigger wheels on it. Let's take a look here. Oh, it's a Platinum, that's why. Yeah, you don't see that very often. Okay, so we got an Ultimate Platinum. Oh, it's probably got all kinds of good stuff on it. It's nice to see the higher trim in some of the smaller cars. Okay, for 12,000 kilometers. And it's got the Bose audio. Oh yeah, this would be nice. If we go down to the end here, we just got a couple of those large SUVs. Ford Excursions, we got a RAV4 in the middle. Jeep Compass. Got one of these smaller Nissans. A couple smaller Nissan SUVs. Jeep Compass, minivan, Corolla. One of these Kia, I forget what these are. What is this one here? Kia. Oh, Seltos. Okay. And this is a US car. BMW, sorry, Mini convertible. Mini Cooper convertible. And let's just go down the other side of the executive aisle here. We got a Ford Escape. And this is Friday before a long weekend, so I'm pretty impressed. Late Friday afternoon, pretty impressed with the selection. We got a Kia SUV. Got one of these smaller Toyotas. See, is that a CHR? I always forget what these are. Yeah, okay, so this is a CHR. And then we got a smaller Kia over here. Actually, we got two of them. And we got a Chrysler 300, one of my favorites. Sunroof. Got a Mitsubishi SUV. Got a little bit larger of a Kia SUV. Let's see. Oh, and this is the Ford Explorer I was talking about earlier, the Limited with 1,700 miles. We'll take a look at that shortly here. So it's a Kia. Oh, it's a Kia Sorento. Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen one of these in a while. This might be a 3-row. Yeah, it's great to see all this new stuff. It's 2,900 kilometers. No sunroof. Let's see if it's got a third row on the back. So it's kind of dark in here. And it does have a third row. I think there's about 2 seats in the back there, though. Maybe more. And then we got this Ford Explorer Limited, which is really nice. Let's just take a peek in here. I have to say, National's done a great job of keeping cars in stock here. Okay, so this is the one that has 1,700 kilometers. It's got the upgraded audio. It's got the big sunroof. If I needed something bigger, I'd be tempted to take this. Yeah, so lots. It's going to be lots more than this here. Sorry, it's going to be a little dark in here, but and then we got the extra row in the back. back, and even room behind that. See the sunroof there. Okay, we got a couple more Ford Escapes. Hyundai, I think that's an Elantra. Got Escape, an Edge. Another Escape. Got a VW wagon here. A couple more. We got an Edge. Escape. Bunch of Escapes. A smaller Hyundai. And this is, I think it's a Highlander. But let's take a look at this. I should get the names of all these new ones here. Tucson. Okay. Tucson. I remember that. And this Toyota's the LE trim here. And we got another Escape. Got tons of cars in the overflow down there. You can probably see some of them in the distance. And let's go down the Emerald aisle here. So we got another of these. I think it's a Hyundai Elantra. VW. One of these VW wagons. An Escape. A smaller Chevy SUV. Another Escape. Got an Edge. Got a Chevy Malibu. Somebody recently asked about the Malibu and whether it's the same category as a Charger. I think these are. Yeah, so these are F cars. That's what I thought. And we got a Santa Fe. I'm pretty sure this is the new Santa Fe. $5,000 kilometers on this. Oh wow, this is pretty nice. Is this the new Santa Fe? This is the new, yeah, so this is the new Santa Fe. Another Escape here. And we've got, okay, sorry about that. Just continuing on here, we got another Elantra. Got a CX-5, I think it was when I checked. Got another of these Kias. And a Mitsubishi SUV. And again, so just confirm the Malibu is an F car. I'm pretty sure I'll double check because there is a Charger in the aisle. Just double check to make sure that's also a full-size car. Okay, so I confirmed the Charger is definitely still an F car with a National, Alamo, and Enterprise. Same as the Malibu. Just going, this is kind of the overflow here. Oh boy, there's a new Traverse in there. And a Honda Civic, got another 300 with a different color interior. Got a new, oh boy, lots of good stuff. Got a Jeep Grand Cherokee, Maxima. Got a Kia, is this GMC Sierra? I don't know if we can tell the trim on that. Another Ford Escape. Actually, the Sierra looks really nice. I'm going to take a quick peek in here. See if I can kind of squeeze in. It's probably fairly good. Got some more Fords. Yeah, they got, don't worry about getting a car with National this weekend. They got tons of them here. Ooh, this looks like a CRV maybe? Or is this one of those Sport? HRV. It's one of those HRVs. A couple more Edge. Oh, wow. So overwhelmed with all the cars here. This is great to see. RAV4. There's a whole nother row. Plus we got all the cars parked over at Alamo and Enterprise on top of this. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at some of the Enterprise upgrades. We've got BMW, got a Chevy SUV, we got one of these Mercedes SUVs, one of these plug-in X3 BMWs, got a Durango Hemi here, got an Audi, probably a Q3, Q5, just got a little compact here, got another Santa Fe. These are actually just the returns. So if, let's see if I can just do a quick walk down here. So these are just cars, again, National, Alamo, and Enterprise all share the same fleet. These are just cars parked over at Enterprise. Okay, so we got a Cadillac SUV. I haven't seen one of those in a while. We got a RAV4. Got a couple of Wranglers coming up here. We got another of these Ford Explorers. Chrysler minivan. Another Wrangler. Lots of cars in the returns there. Got a larger Chevy SUV. Got a Toyota minivan. One of the older Grand Cherokees. These Toyota, I always forget the names of these. It'll come to me anyway. Mercedes C300. Buick SUV way in the back there. A smaller Buick SUV. A little bit older Honda. Another Chrysler 300. Oh, this one might be even more new than that other one, which had about 9,000 on it. Oh, geez, 209 kilometers. Oh, boy. Oh. That one might have my name on it. We'll see. I'm going to Ford Escape. Now, these Buick SUVs. Great to see some of these. Yeah, let's take a quick look at mileage on this. I got, oh god, they always make me wait for the mileage. Okay, 2,000 kilometers on this one. Enclave, all-wheel drive. These are really nice. Sunroof. Sunroof. A couple of minivans. Just like these people picking up a car here. And got another Pearson minivan, a smaller. Another Chrysler 300 here. This one's probably pretty new as well. Let's just take a quick sunroof. How many miles we got on this? 11,000. Alright, there you go. And not sure if we're going to wrap things up here, but if we do, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Just a bit of a bonus here for you guys. Just a quick walk through some of the cars parked over at Alamo here. Got one of these Polestar Performance Editions. We got a Mustang convertible, a Chrysler Caravan. It's got a Volvo. Ooh, it's probably looks like one of those. An electric. Oh, gotta see what this is. I was gonna say it's an S60. This one would be a B6. Would this be a T8 or a B8? Not sure what the new S60 T8. Oh, that'd be nice. This is actually one of my favorite cars. And it's got the Harman Kardon audio. And the mileage always takes a while to come up. And about 11,000. That's actually great to see that in Toronto. We got a Camry. Got a smaller Mazda. Got two more of these Polestars here. So these two don't have the Performance Edition. And I think that's probably going to wrap it up. We got another Mustang here. Got a Volvo. Looks like a V60. Great to see some of these Volvos coming back here. And you can see some of the cars in the overflow. There's another Polestar. Oh boy, lots of stuff in the overflow. T6 V60. Polestar engineered all-wheel drive. So this is probably 2021. It's got the big sunroof in it. Probably has some miles on it, but these are pretty awesome. It's got the really nice seats in here. Harman Kardon stereo. And just waiting for the mileage to come up here. It has 17,000 kilometers. Not bad. And I think that's going to be it. We've got a larger Mazda, maybe a CX-9, Corolla, and a smaller Nissan. And I think that's it. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.